Please stand by. The Union of Yuktobanian Republic Government has issued a test warning to all citizens in Yuktobania. The government of Yuktobania has issued an emergency alert test to all residents as part of a nationwide preparedness exercise. This test is intended to evaluate the effectiveness of communication systems and ensure that citizens can receive important alerts during critical situations. People across Yuktobania may notice notifications on their mobile devices, television broadcasts, or emergency siren systems. Authorities have emphasized that this is only a test, and there is no actual emergency. Citizens are encouraged to remain calm, pay attention to the alert procedures, and use this opportunity to familiarize themselves with safety protocols in case of a real emergency in the future.